Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can record video clips of up to 30 seconds length using the Metal TV game capturing software app. So let us guide you through this, guys. So what you want to do is launch the game on your device and make sure that Metal TV is also running in the background. Now, due to copyright reasons, I'm not going to enter the game, but you will need to enter the game and then start recording by pressing the shortcut Alt F7 for long recording and F8 for clips of 30 seconds length. So these 30 seconds long video clips will then stop being recorded after these 30 seconds. You will receive a notification in-game in the top left corner, and the given video clip will then be also saved inside your library. So here on Metal TV, you navigate to your library here and go through that list. If you, of course, stop the recording earlier by pressing F8 again, you will see the length here, for example, of the video clip and also the file size, for example. And that's how it works, guys. If you'd like to record longer video clips, use the shortcut Alt F7. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.